If you are planning for a 50k PC build and want a full setup, then you are at the right place. Here on my channel XCompares. I am going to build a virtual PC from the website named mdcomputers.in. It's a Intel Core i5 based PC. It cost me around 53,000. I choose non-graphic version of Intel i5 9th gen processor. It cost me around 12,000. It has 6 core, 6 threads, no hyper-threading, with boost clock speed of 4.1 GHz. I choose Galaxy GTX 1650 Super 4GB variant as a graphics card. It's a value for money graphic card. At this budget, it has 4GB VRAM of DDR6 type. It also has 2 fans and comes with 3 years of warranty. Then I choose a budget category motherboard, Gigabyte H310M H2.0. It supports Intel 9th gen processor out of the box. Then as RAM, I choose ever reliable Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 8GB 3000 MHz RAM. Then I choose Western Digital 1TB hard drive as a secondary storage, and for primary storage I picked WD 240GB SSD. The power supply unit is from Corsair. It's a 450 watt PSU. Then as cabinet, I go with Gigabyte C200. It's simple but elegant. Also has RGB LED strip on the front and a glass on side panel. The monitor is from BenQ. It's a 22-inch Full HD IPS monitor with thin bezel. Looks fantastic. Then I go with Dell keyboard and mouse, and I also ordered a D-Link Wi-Fi adapter which cost less than 600. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it, and make sure you subscribe my channel for more future updates.